is up? How is everybody doing today? How you doing? I'm doing very okay. So I was trying to decide what I was going to end up doing with my hair, because my hair is pretty much like, my ends are just reverted. My ends they're not straight. They're not. I was trying to decide what I wanted to do. I was actually going to try to do a twist out on my hair while it was stretched out. I don't know what product I'm going to use to do the twist out with. Right now I feel like I just want to keep my hair stretched out for a period of time. So I'm going to use this shea butter that I bought about a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just going to add some oil to it and just, you know, mix it in. And that is what I'm going to use for my twist out. So, all right guys, do not judge me. This is literally how I ended up doing it. Probably wasn't the best way of mixing the oil with the shea butter, but hey, I did it this way, whatever. But yes, now this was an experiment at this point, because I already like had a feeling that it wasn't gonna work out the way I wanted to. So I was just, let's just say I was experimenting to see what was actually going to happen. All right guys, so I don't know how this is about to turn out, but we're going to try it anyway. So right when I started mixing the shea butter into my hands, like it melted down into oil. Okay. I don't know if I added way too much oil. I probably did put too much oil in there, but as I started doing my hair, I kind of knew what was going to happen. You will be able to even see how oily my hair is. It is bad. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to do this. I don't know. I really was serious about trying a stretched out, either twist out or braid out on my hair. But hey, I gave up on the thought process and was like, hey, shea butter, let's try it. So then I just thought about it, like, I don't think a twist out's gonna work. I need something else. So I decided to switch to a braid out, which I thought it would be a lot better. I thought that I'd have better definition just because the products that I was using. And again, guys, do not judge me. This was really an experiment at this point, and I was bored. Let's just say it. I was bored. Alright guys, so I am all done, as you've seen. I don't know why I always announce when I'm done, like you guys can clearly tell. Whatever. I have a feeling this is not gonna work out. I just do, because my hair is extremely like oily and greasy feeling, like, but we will see in the morning when I take my hair down. I'll probably leave it in. I don't know. I think I might just like braid my hair up. I kind of like the way this looks like. Whoa. My hair feels nice and soft though. Feels really moisturized. Oh, so far it's turning out great.
Who let the dog out? Let the dogs out. Who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the dogs out?
I kind of figured my hair was gonna turn out like this just because the shea butter was like, it was just very oily. You know what I mean? It's just a bunch of oils. It wasn't something that would help give me definition, you know what I mean? But I still wanted to just try it. My hair feels really soft. Like, my hair is super moisturized. I'm loving it. I kind of feel like I should have just waited to take these braids out. I should have just waited since my hair was already straightened. It's kind of harder to get definition from straighter hair. I said I was gonna wash it, but I kind of don't. Like, I really don't want to wash my hair just because I don't feel like doing it. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just not in the mood to do it. I just wanted to try something before I did wash my hair, and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to. So I really want to try something else, like a perm rod set on my hair, or what do you guys think I should try on my hair while it is straight? After looking at my hair, there was nothing I was gonna do to my hair. I just needed to wash it. Like, I put so much product on my hair. It looked so oily. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Hopefully you were entertained just a little bit. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. Always remember to smile, stay positive, and keep spreading that positive vibe, because we really need more positive, happy, nice people in the world, okay? We need that right now. And I will see you guys in my next video.